Yo everyone! In this video you'll be learning how to remotely access and control your Android device using a tool called SCRCPY or Screen Copy. With this tool, you'll be able to sync a phone clipboard in real time with your PC. Take a screenshot on apps that do not support screenshot. Cast your phone screen to your CA while playing games. Install apps directly from your CT, your Android device. Easily transfer files to your phone using drag and drop. Watch videos directly from your phone. Read books directly from your phone and much more. Now let's move on to the installation process. So I'll be showing you how to get it installed on your computer. First, I'll show you how to get it installed on a computer running the Linux operating system. Then, I'll show you how to install it on a Windows operating system. Whether you are a Linux or a Windows user, you can run SCRCPY and enjoy its functionalities. But first, make sure to turn on USB debugging on your Android device. If you don't know how to do that, visit the link in the description below. First, visit the SCRCPY GitHub repository at github.com/jennymobile/SCRCPY. Scroll down and navigate to the Linux download page. On the Linux page, you'll see the different available installation commands for different Linux distros. But I'd recommend that you clone the repo and execute the installation script. It's a much more reliable option. Also, you'll need to have a DB installed on your computer, so simply run the command sudo apt install app. Then run the command git clone github.com/jennymobile/SCRCPY and cd SCRCPY and /install release to install SCRCPY. As you can see, the installation process is complete. To verify it, run the command SCRCPY version and it should show you something similar to what's currently displayed on the screen. The next step is to connect your Android device with USB debugging turned on to your computer via a USB cable and then run the command add BTC pip 5555 to activate wireless debugging. If it was a success, you should see something similar to what's currently being displayed. After that, connect your computer and Android device to the same Wi-Fi network, Bluetooth access point via Bluetooth tethering, or any of your preferred network interfaces. Just make sure both devices are connected to the same wireless network. Open Termux on your Android device and run the command ifconfig, then scroll up and take note of your init IP address. Now, open your Linux terminal and connect to your Android device via a DB using your device's init address by running the command abconnect 192.168.43.15555. Note that this is just my device's init IP address. The init IP address will be different depending on your selected network interface or device. After running the command, you should get a success message just as displayed above. Now, run the command scad. Note that the option max size equals 900 is used to adjust the screencast quality/resolution, so you can increase or decrease the value for better quality or speed. Also, the SAP option is used to turn off the connected device screen, so you can omit it if you want your device screen to stay connected during the SCRCPY session. For more options, visit the SCRCPY documentation page on the GitHub repository. After running the command, your device should be connected and mirrored just as displayed. So, have fun and happy exploring! Now, to get SCRCPY installed on your Windows computer, navigate to the Windows download page. Download the zip file for your Windows PC architecture, either 32-bit or 64-bit. After downloading it, extract the zip file and open the extracted folder. Next, open CMD from the folder by clicking on the folder path bar at the top. Clear everything, and then write command and press enter. And that should open CMD with the current folder path just as displayed above. Now, connect your USB debugging enabled Android device via USB and run the command app devices. If you don't know how to enable app, visit the Hit Ctrl+C2 to terminate it, then run the following commands. Add bad toptip 5555 to activate abd debugging over TCP/IP. Then unplug your phone from your computer USB port and run. Connect your inner IP address 5555. After that, run the command SCRCPY and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like